Hello, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to create the wizard, okay, and what is the transient model and how we can use the transient model in the Odoo. Okay, so simply click on the here. Now last time I'm create one module student and all the things here. So today I'm create a one wizard through the button, or you can open the wizard through the button or menus. So today create a wizard from the menu. Okay, let's go to the code. I open my modules, go to the student management. So create a one folder in the module. Folder name is a wizard. Then create a one file, record student student wizard. Basically I will update the record through the wizard. Okay, so this file need to link in here in internal init file from dot import student wizard. Okay, after that the wizard link here external init file import then wizard. Okay, so now import Odoo models fields and API. Then create a one class. This class name student wizard. This model will be transient model. The transient model, why we create him here? Whenever you open the wizard or create the wizard, so you need to create a basically you need to use transient model. Transient model used for uh, data temporarily. Actually, data is not saved in your database. Which is data current on your window. That is the data only. Once you close the windows or once you close the menus, the data will be removed automatically deleted in the system. Okay, so data basically not saved in the database. So click here and create the object student dot wizard indexing. Now I want to add here some fields which is copying from the student form. See, I am want to add that field only. Okay, so simply copy and paste here. Also create a file student wizard gives gives .xml. Now start ending tab Odoo data and copy the XML that one. Okay, okay, this one copy form we copy and also action we copy. Now copy two things only. Paste here and change the IDs student wizard. Okay, student wizard copy here, paste here, remove the preview and one more field need to add here. This is called target. Target means when you click on the on this action, the window pop-up will become as a pop new. Okay, so right here wizard. Now, so I'm adding the this field name, age, gender name, age, gender name, Page gender, remove everything. Okay. After that, address, phone number, email. Image left, remove address, phone number, email, phone, email, student ID. That will be add in the home view. Okay, and then indentation correct. So let's this file need to link in the manifest file. Go to the manifest and duplicate, add here. After the data file, change the wizard, then that's it only. Okay, now upgrade the module. This module will be upgraded from the backend side. Click on the configuration right here and that's it, module name. Go to the refresh. So I want to update the record from here. So basically I'm add a button here. Button name will be update data. Okay. So I'm adding the go to the student form and copy this one and write here this way, and after the D inside this bracket need to paste action id. Okay, or the button name will be update data and button type will be action. Okay, now upgrade the module. So now my button will be showing here. Click on the update. So you okay, I'm not give the access this object in the security file, so I need to give access in the security file. Simply duplicate, then paste here and give the access. After that also fill the here, and that's all. Then upgrade module, refresh the page, click on the update. So my pop-up is coming. This is called wizard. Okay, now I'm change the id like, and I want to change this. You can see back inside, student name is Akash, or and right here, uh, Imran. Okay, or select here and select enter the age 12 and address is main room. Okay, simple, and something right here only your bus. That's save. If you have click on save, what happened? So I only save, but record is not update because the data only saved, but if this data is not saved in the backend, this button is by default is coming in the pop-up. Okay, so need to add one button in the wizard. Okay, so after the seat, add a button. Let me open the button. So first copy this, let open. This is the two tabs. After the seat, paste here. Start tag a footer. Button name will be update data. Okay. Also string name will be so update data. Okay, this button will be action type, and now create this button here, there, and this. Simply I'm right here print for checking this working or not. update data. So now upgrade the module and refresh the page. Then click on the button. So my button will be showing here. You can see here the update button. Some randomly right here. Now click on the update. So go to the PyCharm. Now my button is working. So now right now after that I want to update the records. Okay, in the current open object, open record. Okay, so need to find before active ID. So we can search the current record from the active ID. Okay, how we can get the active ID? So you can get the active ID that way. Okay, so I'm right here the variable active ID is equals to then this oh, and search student. Okay, self dot env and right here student dot student and also browse active ID. So record will be coming. So print the student, simple student. Then upgrade the module. Checking student is fetching the with current ID or not. Okay. Simply paste and click. The student is coming. Student ID is 2 and this student ID you can see here ID is 2. Okay. Now I want to update the data. Simply student or student and student write stud dot name equal to self dot name stud email student id student dot age self dot age only that field only update only remove right now only thin field update name email or age. Okay, so upgrade the module then go here you can see the name is Akash and right here the Rahul and age 20 also 20 is there. I'm right here 15 and the second one is the email ak@gmail.com. Then click on update. So here you can see that data is updated. Name also changed. There is before is the name, here is the Akash instead of Akash and right now is the Rahul and also the age and also email. So you can use the wizard like this way. Okay, from the buttons or you can open the wizard like from the menu only. Go to the menu or here you can give only action id simply and open the wizard through the menu. This is the simple way how to create the menu or wizard in the Odoo. Okay, so this thing that two or thing is completed. After that we will learn in deeply QWeb template language. Okay, so thank you. If you have any question, please write the comment in the video section.